Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by acting fast. Confirm your Apple ID is signed in on your iPhone or via iCloud, and make sure Find My was enabled on the watch. Once done, open the Find My app, choose Devices, select your Apple Watch and tap Play Sound to ping it. This works if the watch is nearby and connected. If you hear nothing, check the device's last seen time and location. That timestamp tells you where to search next and why acting quickly increases the chance of recovery. Once the quick ping fails, escalate to deeper tools. Sign in to iCloud, Calm or the Find My app and enable Lost Mode so the watch locks and displays your contact. This also preserves location reporting. Make sure to check family sharing devices and any recent Bluetooth pair history on your iPhone for clues about proximity. Then, physically retrace yourself using the last seen map. Search pockets, bags, cars, couches, gym lockers, and nearby businesses. Methodical sweeping at the indicated time window often finds it. You finish by securing the watch and preparing fallback steps. If the device appears online, go get it. If it's offline, enable Notify when found so you get an alert when it reconnects. If recovery seems unlikely, erase remotely to protect data, but remember erasing stops location updates. Only do that if necessary. Also contact any local lost and found or the police with serial number. Troubleshooting tip: if it shows offline, stay within Wi-Fi or Bluetooth range and check iCloud periodically. A reconnect will reveal its location.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.